Hey everyone, welcome back to. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of homemade pancakes. We'll be making them from scratch, and trust me, they're going to be fluffy and delicious. So, let's get started. The beauty of homemade pancakes lies in simplicity. For this recipe, you'll need, and yes, you heard it right, we're making these without eggs.
Now let's whisk these ingredients together. Pro tip, don't overmix. We want those pancakes to be light and airy. Take a look at this batter. It's thick, but pourable. Achieving the right consistency is key to those fluffy pancakes. Time to cook these beauties. Pour the batter onto a hot griddle or non-stick pan. Watch how they start forming those tempting bubbles. Once you see those bubbles, it's flip time. And there you have it, a stack of fluffy, crispy pancakes ready to be enjoyed. Now, if you want to take these pancakes to the next level, try. It's all about making them your own. And that's a wrap. Making pancakes from scratch is easy, fun, and oh so rewarding. I hope you give this recipe a try and let me know how it turns out. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to, and hit that bell for more mouth-watering recipes. Until next time, happy cooking!